Drakkar Hitpoints is an add-on for Unity that simplifies melee mechanics and the use of cutting or blunt weapons in an action game. It provides an advanced damage system for both characters and objects, with built-in support for timed damage effects like fire, electricity, poison, or any other custom effect you need to implement in your game. Drakkar Hitpoints is designed with accessibility in mind. The system can be configured visually, making it easy to set up, requiring just a minimum amount of coding. It supports multiple collision points and intelligently prevents redundant collision detections. Drakkar Hitpoints can interpolate very fast curved movements, avoiding excessive approximations and ensuring that every hit feels natural and responsive. It works seamlessly with direct movements, such as swords or melee strikes, while also supporting area-based damage mechanics like explosions. Drakkar Hitpoints is fully compatible with Drakkar Events and Drakkar VFX, allowing for deeper integration with visual and gameplay events. Drakkar Hitpoints allows you to manage your combat system quickly and efficiently, letting you focus on what truly matters: great gameplay.